Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable a controller input so you can use them in your games on Steam. So I'm playing Warzone right now, and my controller simply isn't working even though I have it connected to my PC. Well, in Steam, we actually have to enable the controller support first. So I'm going to press the Windows button and then go on over to Steam right here. Go to your library, and then I can see Call of Duty Warzone is running in the background. Just go over to the little controller option right here, select it, and it's going to open up this page. Just go to Enable Steam Input right there. And this says this controller is not using Steam input and will rely on the in-game built-in controller support. Okay, so in Call of Duty, if you're trying to connect like wirelessly through Bluetooth to your computer, it seems like this doesn't work unless you enable Steam input for some reason. So I'm going to enable this, and I can see the different layouts right here. Now, you're still going to be able to use this in the game because it's going to pretty much map your mouse and keyboard over to controller. So now when I go back to Call of Duty, I can start playing, but there's not going to be any movement with my right thumbstick. So I do have to press Options, go to Settings, then go to Controller, and switch it over to the controller input. Now my right thumbstick should work in the game. So it's very easy to remedy that. Just make sure you have controller support enabled, and it should map it to your mouse and keyboard. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.